Hello. So in this video we are going to look into the impact analysis of WDV depreciation using time value of money concept versus normal method of WDV depreciation. So let's come directly to the example. Now in this example, just check the facts. Now in this method, in the first year itself, if you just look into this, the asset has been used for the 6 months. So what we do generally, 10 lakhs into 60% comes to 6 lakhs into 6 by 12. So we have used 6 months divided by 12. So it's coming 3 lakhs. We will provide 3 lakhs depreciation and closing WDV will be 7 lakhs. Next year on 7 lakhs, we will provide entire 60% depreciation and so on. Now in last year, opening WDV is coming 1,12,000, and if you calculate 1,12,000 into 60%, it is coming 67,200 divided by 12 into 6. So depreciation comes 33,600. So at the end of useful life, my WDV is not matching exactly with the residual value. But generally what happens, we in the last year, what we do, we just provide the balancing figure. So no one looks into that. So there is a additional count of depreciation in last year by 14,400. Now what we have done in WDV depreciation using time value of money concept. Now in this method we calculate depreciation on daily basis. So you just see in first year, in the same example, depreciation is coming 3,67,544 and so on. Depreciation is calculated, and at the end of the year WDV is going to exactly match with your residual value. Now let's just take a comparison on year basis. On daily reducing method, there is a 3,67,544, whereas in normal method it is coming 3 lakhs. So in the first year itself, there is a 67,000 rupees difference. So in terms of percentage, the difference is 22.51%. And if that company is paying minimum alternate tax, which is based on your book profit, so it is going to impact MAT as well. So in daily reducing method, your depreciation is going to come little bit on higher side. So you are saving MAT tax if you are using this daily reducing WDV method. Now just check on a comparison on month basis. You see in the same example, we use that asset for the 6 months. So it was a 3 lakhs for 6 months. So generally what we do, per month we will divide by the number of months. So 50,000 per month in normal WDV method it will come. Whereas in daily reducing WDV method, what happens, your first month will have a higher depreciation, your next month will have a little bit lower, and then lower, and so on. So where the impact of this is, it is on the MAT liability. If company is paying MAT, WDV is definitely counted wrong, and on WDV deferred tax is calculated, residual value is wrong. And in case company is reporting quarterly financial, then in case of quarterly financial reporting, the daily reducing WDV method will give you a correct WDV. So we have designed perpetual depreciation calculator using time value of money concept. Now in this, only the people have to put in the data of fixed asset once, and then the depreciation is going to calculate automatically for entire life of that asset. There is a free version available on website. There is even a paid version for the company where there is a huge number of assets. So you can just visit on website www.blackhorseexcellence.com. Link is given below. Thank you.